What's up guys, welcome back to the video. Hope you guys enjoyed the previous video where we finally finished off the engine fit into this Jeep. So in today's video we're going to do some of the interior, finish this up because I've been lacking to do this. And in the crate here with me I've got the rear carpet. It's been soaking for I think since the 4th or 3rd video, so it's been like 6 weeks, 8 weeks, I don't know. It's been soaking because it's been covered in oil and it was so bad. So I'm going to try and clean that up. If I don't get that clean, well heck, I might just make a new carpet. It's a very simple piece of carpet that. And then also I want to start fitting the panels on the back side, and then also maybe do the center console and the dash again. Just make it all clean. Maybe wash this puppy one more time. So yeah, let's start with showing you guys this concoction inside of this plastic bin. Yo, it's bad, but I think I will get it clean with my tools I bought. So let's do this. So check it out. This is a big tub and I filled it up with a lot of stuff, and I drained the water, filled it up again, drained again, filled it up again. So at the moment I can't remember what formula I've got in here, what chemicals is in here. So that's what it looks like. Probably doesn't look too bad on the camera, but only it's my hand in there, so it's pretty dirty. You guys can see that little bubbles there, that's oil that's been sitting in this concoction, and I'm going to try and see if I can wash this out. So I'm going to take this out, high pressure wash it, get my power tools on this, wash it thoroughly, high pressure wash it again. I don't know how many times till we get this clean. So yeah. Oh, it smells quite bad. So as you guys can see, it looks still pretty bad on this side. That oil's not coming out. So yeah, let's get my wipe brushes and see if we can clean that up first. So this carpet is looking much better, although you can still see some of this oil and stuff on there. but I think it will not smell anymore, and I'm going to just vacuum this and then hang it up to dry, and then I'll probably put it in tomorrow with the rest of the stuff. Okay guys, so this is the rear seats. I still have to take them apart and clean them up, and then I'm going to put them back in the Jeep and put the cover on. So I'm going to start by taking off the covers, splitting these two seats apart, and then Alright guys, so all I've got left to do is still the center console, but that will come in another video because I first want to make a little plate to delete the four-wheel drive lever thing, whatever you call that. So that's how I'll probably measure up, and I'm going to 3D print that. But last, I want to change the steering wheel. I've got a new one here, looks much better, it's got a nice texture feel to it. This one is very old and it's soft. So I'm just quickly going to change this. Just check how nice the steering wheel looks now. Must say there's a little bit of damage on this, but I think we can fix that. I'm thinking maybe removing this whole dash and redoing this my way. So that will be just stripping it and painting it or wrapping it or making carbon fiber parts. So what I've been talking about to make a blanking template was for this hole where my four-wheel drive selector would sit, because I'm not going to need it. And also guys, nobody has responded on what this unit could be. I really think it's a tracker system. If we can take that out, it would be great. Please comment below if you know what that is and if I can take it out. As you guys can see, if you follow this wire, splices into the system here, but if not, I'll leave it. Maybe it's a Bluetooth system aftermarket or something like that. So the dash I'll do later. I'm thinking of doing an iPad, something that looks like a Tesla maybe. And regarding my gauges, I think my speedo will work. The revs I can make work, and I think I'll make them all work. But how cool would it be if I could make it all digital and do like an iPad with all my information on, all the AFRs, EGTs, whatever I need to see is on here. I think that would be a really cool feature. And then regarding the headlining, I need a new sun visor for the passenger side. I need to clean up, it's got some freaking dirty fingerprints on it. And then I also need one of those handles, and that's probably it for the interior, except the door cards. I'm getting new ones. I'm not going to drive and save my old ones. The one on this side is already damaged beyond repair, so I'm just going to get new ones. It doesn't make sense for me to waste my time on that. So guys, we are getting closer to this. We're getting closer to the startup of this engine. I just decided I'm not going to bore you all with washing the Jeep. There's no point in that. It's not raining season now, so the dust is going to just fall on it again. So in the next video, I'm going to take out this engine again. I'm going to put it back on its dolly and wire it up. I got new injector plugs, and I've got my manuals, I've got all my wiring diagrams, and I must get a new battery for this guy, and then we're going to fire it up in the garage, and hopefully it runs fine. Already bought new oil for it, I need new spark plug still, but that's all things that we can sort out. So guys, thank you for watching, and if you do like this type of content, if you want to really support the automotive content on YouTube and also South African channels, please hit the subscribe button down below. So thank you guys, thank you for watching, and I hope you guys keep safe. Cheers.